Improved observations are falsifying the Big Bang theory of cosmology. The Webb Space Telescope with a 21.7-foot mirror was placed in a stationary Lagrange point 1 million miles from Earth in December 2021. Imaging in the infrared, it can see farther than 13 billion light years. A split-screen image of the Phantom Galaxy demonstrates the improvement between the Webb Space Telescope imaging infrared light and the Hubble Space Telescope imaging of visible light. Launched in 1999, the Chandra X-ray Observatory is the largest X-ray telescope in the world. The Event Horizon Radio Telescope allows a worldwide collection of data. The European Space Agency's eROSITA Space Telescope images the entire sky in the X-ray band. The European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope combines 4 movable optical mirrors into a giant interferometer. The Webb telescope reveals massive galaxies already in existence near the predicted time of the Big Bang. Infrared images of early galaxies that are too big to exist when only embryonic stars are expected by the Standard Model. Mature, high redshift galaxies discovered a few million years after the alleged Big Bang. Early galaxies are unexpectedly bright when they should not even be in existence. Massive, 13 billion year old bright red galaxy that has 4 times the stars as the Milky Way. Giant galaxy ZF-UDS 7329 was born just 800 million years after the Big Bang, before there was time for the dark matter halos required by the Standard Model to form. A close-up of ZT-UDS reveals her massive size, as each kiloparsec equals 3,260 light years of distance across her filaments. Early galaxies are observed to already be gathered into clusters. Early clusters are found wherever we look in the infrared spectrum. Lyman-Ullmann emitters are distant galaxies that emit radiation from neutral hydrogen. Early LAE galaxies clustered around a massive quasar. The Webb telescope and the Chandra X-ray telescope combined to show black holes were formed earlier than expected. Numerous early black holes have been imaged in the infrared by the Webb telescope. The Webb telescope's little red dots claim to be very early, small, but extremely massive black holes. To explain the discovery of numerous massive black holes shortly after the Big Bang, it is now being proposed that they resulted from a gravitational epicycle that combines many tiny black holes. X-ray observations reveal massive galaxy clusters that would take much longer than the age of the Big Bang universe to gravitationally form. Mapping of synchrotron radiation reveals the magnetic fields of the distant, massive El Gordo cluster with hundreds of galaxies. E. Rosita All-Sky Survey of Cosmic X-ray Sources reveals more than 12,000 galaxy clusters. Webb infrared imaging of 19 nearby galaxies reveal plasmoids generating stars along filaments instead of black holes consuming stars from the center. Much like the old fable, the Big Bang naked emperor may finally be exposed by the reality of improved observations. With great respect, this presentation used clips from the following public videos. This non-commercial presentation includes dozens of images found on the internet and used with great appreciation, but without proper attribution due to the impossibility of identifying and contacting owners of the original sources. If the owner of any such image objects to its use, please email the author with details and the image will be removed. The author especially thanks Eric J. Lerner and his book, The Big Bang Never Happened, for introducing evidence disproving the standard model of cosmology, and Professor Louis Marmette for his invitation to join a cosmology group where dissident scientists have the freedom to disagree with settled science and to publish alternative theories refused by mainstream authorities. Dedicated to Christian Birkeland, Edwin Hubble, and Hans Alfvén, who discovered the electromagnetic plasma universe and whose work has been mischaracterized and misused by the gravitationalists, who defend the false Big Bang cosmology by ignoring and disparaging all challenges. Music by Scott Buckley and Johannes Brahms. To be presented by William John Cox at the Science of Consciousness Conference in Tucson, Arizona, in April 22nd to the 27th of 2024. Greatly appreciated. Abi Montefiore and Stuart Hammeroff at the Center for Consciousness Studies, the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona, for making this presentation possible.